So it's been our first morning at our KOA camping cabin. Ethan, what'd you think?
Kind of.
Cabin, did you like the cabin? We woke up this morning to a sound, right? What was that sound?
Mountain.
Trains, that's right. They were big trains, huh? Were they loud?
Huh?
Yeah. Did you like the trains?
No.
Yeah, you did.
It's huge.
And now we're just enjoying the view.
So Jared, tell us what you're doing.
So we are making pancakes here in our camp kitchen out in Cascade Locks, Portland area, Oregon. We've got lots of fantastic trees. There's trains that drive by every night, every like 5 minutes practically.
That's why we're all
and
awake.
we've got some delicious golden pancakes. Katie, this one's yours. You ready?
I want another one.
I believe that, Ellie. And I also believe that you are going to wait until everyone's hungry.
Was that a bird? Yummy. Okay.
Oliver, your stick is gonna have
Just
to
so
stay.
you know, I'm not really going to think about movies today. We're going to be looking with our eyes.
Hiking stick, Mommy.
It's not even tall enough to be a hiking stick.
It is. My hiking stick. I can't leave it.
I'll volunteer.
It's my favorite hiking.
So we just filled up at the Shell here in town, and the views are spectacular. We're gonna go see if we can find some waterfalls today. Because of all the fire, several of the falls have been kind of closed, so we won't be able to see all of them. But we have been told that Multnomah, Broadville, and one other set of falls will be available. So we're gonna go check them out. Hopefully enjoy the views along the way. Maybe find a great place for lunch. Should be a nice, relaxing day.
They're interesting,
So we made it to Multnomah Falls. It's absolutely massive. Kids are having a great time running around. And what do you think? Should we go check it out and go look close at it? You guys want to go get a little closer to the waterfall?
Yeah!
Who wants to get underneath it and take a shower in the waterfall? Yeah?
But in my swimming suit.
But in your swimming suit, huh? All right.
Like hiking.
You see some flowers?
You are a shark. You are a shark. Look. We're gonna go hiking.
Yeah.
Let's go.
In the tunnel? I heard that any kids that go in the tunnel get murdered.
Whoa, look at that waterfall.
Pretty incredible.
Can you pause at that bridge, please, just for a second, children? Lean into the water. Lean into the water.
Lean into the water. Brilliant thing.
Ethan, I like your shark sweatshirt. Hey, what does a shark say? Yeah. You have water in your mouth? Do you have a drink? You're cute. What do you think, Kate?
Awesome.
You looking at my glasses?
It takes a long time to clean up all the debris
Don't fall. What? You totally did. Give her hugs. Sorry, babe. Not your day.
Can we go up there?
We are there. Ethan, do you see the trees? What do you think, buddy? We're on our way to Bridalveil Falls. Should be pretty fun. There's lots of kids having fun over here. Look at this. You see the kids? They're playing in the woods. What are you guys doing? What are they doing, Ethan? What are they doing? They're playing? Yeah, they're playing. Look how big those trees are, you guys. We continue to encounter larger and larger trees. Hard to tell, but this thing is massive.
That is a big tree. That is a big tree.
Come on, Charlie, let's see. Yeah, Charlotte wants to see the big tree.
Look how thick the bark is.
Wow. If the branches were down here too, I would climb it.
Look how high up it goes.
I think that's why the branches aren't down here, so you can't climb it.
That is a twisty tree.
Alright. Maybe? You know what? You're nice.
You guys say go quiet so people can come up next to you.
What's this leaf you found? Look how big that is. Look, Ethan, do you see how big that leaf is? It's huge.
I wish I could have.
Is that from a tree around here, Jake?
Can't get the whole.
I know what tree it's from. But it's pretty big.
Hey, mister.
Pretty awesome, huh? Lola, where are you going? Sit down. Don't try and get down without help.
Are we exploring?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Watch out. It's got claws. It's got pokies. Careful. You need to, hey, you need to touch it carefully. Go like this. Put your hands on it softly and move it to the side. See that? Good. There you go. You're through. See this, Kate? We're under a tree. This is where a tree just fell over. See, these are all roots. So look, this is the bottom of the tree. See, this is where the tree grows. It goes straight that way. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, they're all the way down there. This is cool. That was weird rock though. It's like
Go, Ethan.
Can you get it?
It's making it
Did
so
you
far.
fall too? It's slippery, huh?
Can you help?
So, are you ready to give up and we'll go have some lunch?
Let's go have lunch. I'm hungry.
Okay, go hold mom's hand. Or are you gonna try to go backwards?
That's fine. How did you Look at the view.
We're here at the historic Vista House, and boy, if someone actually lived here, the view is just spectacular. I want to live here. Can I buy this house? Oh, that's a video. Sorry, I meant to take a picture. We knew we wanted to have some lunch, but we couldn't find a spot, so we just occupied a space. Works. Everybody having a good time?
Yeah.
It's good food.